We're here in West Petaluma and just taking a look at this project that we installed this past year for this half-acre property. So this is a large property that we've done in several phases over the years, and this is one of the final phases that we worked on. So in a previous phase, we had installed this large lawn that the homeowners use for dog training. They do agility training for dogs, so they wanted this nice big usable lawn space. But what we hadn't done in our first phase in the back here was complete out the hardscape. And really what they were looking to do here is wanted something with nice clean lines and something that was going to be super low maintenance and dog friendly, to just allow the dogs to run and kind of do their training and that type of thing. And so what we came up with was an installation of some new Calstone Quarrystone pavers here. So we've got paver walkways that connect in from two gates on either side of the backfield area here. And then we have a large rear patio that then was installed with a Costco metal pavilion here. So we can see that overview. And then connecting in, we've got just some general planting areas. They've got some fruit trees that they've planted back here, as well as some connecting pathways. And this is using a 7/16 red-brown base as our pathway material. And then we can see our raised beds that the homeowner built in the back here. And then these connect us through. And we're big fans of this Calstone Quarrystone material. This is definitely a premium paver, so it's got very nice sort of natural stone, slate-like texture to it, and also has a real nice color profile. So a little bit more expensive than some other paver options, but really looks attractive. And then you can see as we walk out, so this layout is kind of mirrored. So we have a couple of 4-foot walkways that lead from either side here, and then little connectors into our lawn. We've got a mow strip around the edge of the lawn to make edging and care a little bit easier, and then we've got a couple of paver landings on either side that kind of take us in from the gate area. So overall, a good way of kind of tying in this large rear field space with some new hardscape.